Welcome back to our Python programming series. Today, in this video, we will dive into two powerful Python tools, functions and operators. Functions allows us to create reusable blocks of code, while operators helps us perform calculations and comparisons. So let's go step by step. So you get a solid foundation. Think of a function as a small program inside of your large code. A function helps us avoid writing the same code multiple times. Whether you need to do a specific task repeatedly, a function makes it easy and efficient. To create a function, we use def followed by name, parentheses, and a colon. Inside the function, we write the code we want to run. So, hello, welcome to Python. So here, greet is our function's name. Inside, we have one line that prints a welcome message. To use the function, just call it by name with parentheses. So let's make our function more flexible by adding parameters. Parameters are like blank. We can fill it later, allowing our function to do slightly different thing each time. So now, instead of saying the same thing of each time, hello, welcome to Python, then greet user and greet different people based on the name we provide. So let's try it. So here you're seeing hello Alice, hello Bob, and etc. So this output is showing us a different name. Here we are used greet user Alice, greet user Bob. If I use greet user abs, then it will return to Alice and abs hello. So some function gives back a result. We can do this using a return. So now, for example, let's create a function to find the square of a number. Here, def is square of a number, return is number into number. So now we need to see the results. Here, results is equal to square 4 and print square of 4 is equal to results. Square 4 will return 16. To see the result, we can store it in a variable or print it. So we print it, the square of 4 is 16. And then finally, let's look at lambda functions. These are one-line function useful for quick tasks. Here's a lambda to square of numbers. Let's see here, square lambda 5 is equal to 25. If I use 4 is equal to 16. If I use here 10, it will be 100. So this code emphasizes the lambda function are good for simple tasks. So now we are going to talk about operators. There are so many operators. One of them is arithmetic operators. Python's arithmetic operators handle basic math: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So here's how they work. So here x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 3, and I just used there. So just run it and you're seeing here the results. Okay, next operators is the modulus and exponent operators. The modulus operator gives us the remainder of a division, and the exponent operator raises a number to a power. So here some example. Modulus, this is modulus and this is exponent operator. So just run it and you're seeing here the results. So then comparison operator. Comparison operators check relationships between values and return true or false. Common ones are less than, greater than, equal, and not equal to. So let's try some example. Here I use that x is greater than y, x is equal to y, x is not equal to y. Just run it and the result is showing that true, false, and true. That means x is not equal to y, and for that the result is false. So then logical operator. Logical operators like and, or, and not combine conditions. So let's use them in example. Here you're seeing is adult is equal to true, has ticket is equal to false, print is adult and has ticket is adult or has ticket, print not has ticket. So just run it and see here, false, adult and has ticket false, and adult or has ticket true, and not has ticket true. So then assignment operators. Assignment operators let us update variable values quickly. For instance, here's how to add 5 to x with plus is equal. Then just run it and you're seeing here 15. The x is equal to 10, and then we just used here x plus is equal to 5. That means the outcome 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. There's also minus equal for subtraction, into multiplication equal for multiplication, and so on. They make updating values fast and easy. And that's for today. We covered a lot today: functions, parameters, return statement, and operators. Functions make our code reusable, and operators are essential for calculations and conditions. Play around with this example in your code, and you will see how powerful these tools are. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.